Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a milestone within your Clickup list or Clickup board, or however you want to have this in your hierarchy of your Clickup org. So first thing we need to do is create the task. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. You could do this through a keybind. There's one little spot right there. There's another spot right here. My personal favorite is just to do it at the very bottom, just to list it out, and then you can organize later. So here I am going to say milestone 1. All right, and now to change it, there's a couple different things you do. This is going to first show as a task, but now let's go ahead and create a milestone. You can either do it here as a bulk way to create a milestone or not. So I'm going to set the task type, change this over to milestone. So that is one way to do it, and from here you can create your different dependencies to reach that milestone. So I am going to go into this task and show you a different way to do it. So we are in the task that we have just created, and we can go over here to task type, and you can change it to milestone there. It changes a little bit of the UI to where you can say, hey, we have the task as the circle, and the sideways square is the milestone. But that is a couple different ways to create a milestone within your Clickup. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Clickup tutorials in the link in the description box down below.